Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to solve internet problem in our vivo phone. Guys, you have your internet problem in your vivo phone, so guys you can solve in this video. Guys, I will show you guys how to solve internet problem in our vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you're watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So then first of all open your phone setting to solve your internet problem. So guys click on this system setting. Guys click on reset option. Guys click on reset setting. So as you can see reset setting, and guys don't worry you have any pattern, pin, password. Guys you will have to enter and draw. So we will draw our pattern, and guys you can see reset settings. So guys click on reset setting. So a network setting has been reset in our vivo phone. Then guys you can use your internet without any problem. And guys after solve this problem and guys reset this setting, you have any problem in your internet setting, so don't worry, take a screenshot of your phone model number and guys send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. Okay friends, bye bye, thanks for watching.